Hey guys, this is Mitchell, just making this quick review video of, Louisville vegan jerky, smoky Carolina barbecue. This is soy jerky. This is my first time having something vegan in a while, and it feels like meat. It does. It feels like meat. I've been eating meat my whole life. I'm 25 years old. It feels like meat. Sorry about that. I can feel like how it's different from meat. I feel like it's missing like a fatty texture, more kind of like rigid. It seemed kind of too chewy almost to be meat. But I definitely, it's pretty damn close. It's pretty damn close. So I give this, honestly, I maybe had something vegan before, but like vegan, like meat products, but I can't remember what it was. But I'm also going to give this like an 8 out of 10. I'm going to be honest. Or maybe 7. Actually a 7. 7 out of 10 on this. Louisville vegan jerky, smoky Carolina barbecue. Wow. This is some good shit.